Now, does anybody here do laundry? I hope somebody does here because, this is tight quarters. Now, you're probably thinking that you need to have laundry detergent to wash clothes. America is addicted to white powder, and I'm not talking about cocaine. I'm talking about T-I-D-E, Tide. You're addicted to it because you believe that Tide washes clothes. And by the way, Tide does wash clothes, but that's not the only thing. Water is the universal solvent. Water washes clothes. Tide doesn't wash clothes. What Tide does, it is not soaping. What it is doing is you put Tide in there with your water, and the agitator causes it to set up an ionic field, and it ionizes the water. When you ionize water, you make the molecules skinnier. They penetrate the clothes better. This right here is 2 magnets. So you can throw your Tide away. You can throw your laundry detergent away and never buy it again as long as you live. Take 2 magnets, put them in your washer, and you don't need any of that junk anymore. Now, these magnets have been coated in plastic so they don't make noise in your washer, but also they won't rust in your washer because you don't want them to rust in there. And there's your magnets. Now, how many people know magnets set up an ionic field and do exactly the same thing Tide does? See? But how long does a magnet stay magnetized? Permanently. A permanent magnet stays magnetized permanently. So for the rest of your life, just put these in there, wash your clothes, never buy detergent again. Does that save you a little bit of money?